Welcome to Computation with Percentages and Money. So the first thing we're going to look at is how you find a percentage of a quantity. And this can be found using multiplication. So an example would be if we were asked to find 20% of $135. So on your calculator, you need to know where the percent button is, because that's what we're going to use. We could change the percent to a decimal, but since we already have the percent button, we'll just use that. So on your calculator, you're going to press 20% times 135, and the answer you get is 27. And we put the dollar sign back in front, since that's what the question was asking. So the second thing we're going to look at is finding the original amount. So this will require us to work backwards. So we're going to know what the end is, and we've got to work backwards to find what the original was. So step one is to set up the equation using the information that's given to you. And step two is that you will use division. So previously we used multiplication, and the opposite of multiplication is division to find the original amount. So in our example, we're going to find the original amount if 6% of the amount is $7.50. So 6% of something equals to $7.50. So setting up that equation, 6% times the original amount is equal to $7.50. And the opposite of times is divide. So therefore the amount is equal to $7.50 divided by 6%. So putting that on your calculator, you can do it as a fraction or use the divide button. The amount is $125. And a first shout out for the year to Ben. Thank you.